Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Twitter math number 10.
Twitter math number 10. So, this is a really cool problem I saw on Twitter today from a guy named Jim Wilder, and he adapted it from a book called The Moscow Puzzles, 359 Mathematical Recreations. Sounds like a pretty fun book, right?
Yeah.
All right, maybe someday we'll do 359, but today we're only going to do
One.
Okay, the puzzle is called 3 moves because you're only allowed 3 moves to do this. So you have 3 piles of coins on a table. One with 11 coins, one with 7 coins, and one with 6 coins.
Yep.
How many total coins is that?
Well, it's 13 plus 11, so it's 24.
13 plus 11, 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 11 is 24. Very good. You are to move the coins so that each pile holds 8 coins. Now, a good thing to check always is we have 24 coins. Could we have 3 piles of 8? Would that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
It could make sense. So
to me is 24.
at least it's possible, or maybe possible anyway. Like if it said move them so that each pile holds 10 coins, that might be a little tough, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You may add to any pile only as many coins as it already has. Okay, as it already contains. And all the coins must come from one other pile. For example, if a pile has 6 coins, you may only add 6 coins to it, no more, no less. And the trick is you only have 3 moves. Ooh. So like if you had like 100 moves, maybe this would seem pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
But you only have 3. Okay, you ready for the challenge?
Yeah!
Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here's our coin piles. This one has 11. This one has 7. Oops. That one has 7 and that one has 6.
Yep.
Can you show me, or give me an example? You don't have to show me. Or give me an example of something that would be illegal for us to do.
Well, you can't add 12 coins to this pile because the highest coin pile is 11.
Okay, you can't add 12 coins to this pile.
And also because you can only add 6 to the pile.
Right, because it has only 6 coins, so you can only add 6 to it at most. Can you show me another thing that would be illegal for us to do?
Well, you can't add anything more to this 11.
Why not?
Because none of the other piles add up to more than 11.
Right, so none of the other piles have 11 coins. We can't
Yes.
add anything to this pile, at least not on the first move. Okay, so now I'm going to show you something that might lead to a bad start. If I added 6 coins to this pile from here, for example, now I would only have 1 coin in this pile.
Yeah, and
That
you
seems
have
And
this.
how many moves do I have left?
2 moves.
Only 2 moves left, and I can only add 1 coin the first time and 2 coins the second time. So I
So
could
only get 4.
the most I could get to would be 4.
Yep.
So that would be a bad start.
Yep.
So we want to find some other way of starting here.
Well, I have an
So-
idea.
Okay, so why don't you show me? Let's go down a path and see. Say what you want to do before
Well,
you do
first I'll move 7 from here to this 7.
it. Okay, and why does that seem like it might be a good way to start?
Because it leaves 4 here.
It leaves 4 over there, and why is 4 a nice number to have in this problem?
Because then you can just swap. You can get 4 over again.
You can bring 4 over, and that'll leave us 8. Okay, now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 in this pile. What seems like a good idea to do now?
Well, you could add 2 to... Wait,
You can't add 2.
you can't add 2 to that pile. Well, now you can add... Wait, if you add 4 to this pile, you'd have 10
Okay.
left.
If I added 4 to this pile, I'd have 10 left here and 6 left here. Can I get to 8 and 8?
Well,
I have 8 in this pile already, so that seems we're done over there. I can only add 6 to this, so that's not going to work, I don't think. Do you see why?
well...
Because I can only add 6 to this, so I can only go from 6 to 12.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we don't want to add 4 over there, but it's good to check. So try another idea.
Well,
Well, let your brother try something. What's another thing we could do out of this configuration?
Well, we could add 6 to this
We
pile.
could add 6 over here. Now that's interesting because now how many do I have here?
8.
Hey, I was trying to get 8 in every pile, so that's nice. Now I have 4 over here, and how many do I have here?
Well, you have 12, and 12 minus 4 is 8.
Okay, so what's the last move?
So
Just
you can give
move these over
4
here.
over here, and you got 8.
Hey, we did it. And how many moves did that take?
3 moves.
3
Three
moves, and we
moves.
got 8, 8, 8.
Yep.
All right, is that fun?
Yeah.
Now, there's really clever ways to solve these problems, but I think for now we're just gonna keep doing them like they're little challenges, and maybe
Alright.
later on we'll learn real neat ways to do that.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. All right, that was a really fun problem. I'm glad we saw that on Twitter today.
Yeah.
Good job.